hustle somebody else.
Now you're in the drama.
K&N intake, the quickest, most cost-effective way to add some horsepower to your engine. So this is the Blackhawk system. It's paired with a non-oiled synthetic dry flow filter. Also, heat shield. 50,000 miles between cleaning, guaranteed horsepower and torque, and engineered for better sound. Go to knfilters.com/Hoonigan, click the link below, enter your contact info, and get free Hoonigan merch. Remember guys, K&N is performance unlimited.
Your favorite's Michelangelo. Yours is also Michelangelo.
Yeah.
Because of the orange or it's because of the pizza party?
It's because he's the most relaxed.
Yeah, I can use Donatello, but he's always got anxiety.
Oh. Who's Michelangelo?
Michelangelo is the yellow one with the nunchucks.
It's green.
Leonardo, no.
And orange.
Is it orange or yellow?
It's orange.
Orange? I thought it was yellow. Maybe I'm colorblind.
No, it's
you
orange,
are colorblind. It's
purple.
orange.
Anyways, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. This time it's Honda versus haters.
And this time is brought to you by K&N Filters and Sunoco Fuels, the best fuel in the world.
Racing the same car, same cars.
They're
both exactly the
cars.
same car.
They just drive on different wheels.
I mean, one's a Honda.
One's not a Honda.
One's not a Honda, but they're the same car.
Let's go look at these things.
Back to action. Think fat.
Think fat. What's going on, man?
What's going on? How you doing?
What's your name? What'd you bring us?
Aaron, 95 Acura Integra.
It's beautiful. It looks a little wider than normal.
Yeah, a little bit. It's got a drag race 3-piece front end on it.
What's a 3-piece front end?
The fenders, bumpers, they just make them wider to accommodate the tire. 24.5, 9.5.
Seems like a big tire. It seems like a big turbo.
Is this turbo?
Yeah, 72 millimeter turbo.
I didn't know. No, because I'm looking at the hood. I'm like, damn, I'm stupid.
You're just thinking fat.
You want to pop this hood open for
Yeah.
us? I want to see what's going on here. Tell us a little bit about this motor package.
It's a
B-Series.
B-Series motor, dart and sleeved, B16 head with a turbo on it.
What's it make?
Last time we dynoed it made about 1,100 horsepower.
Yeah.
How much boost?
Probably 40 pounds, normally like 65.
God damn.
65? Breathe. Who did this manifold?
Sheepy?
Of course,
yeah,
yeah,
those
that's
guys are
really nice. So I
SoCal
see like
guys.
this one didn't work out.
No, I've tried a couple different
Okay.
turbos on here, and I actually stole this manifold from my buddy because my other manifold didn't fit this turbo.
That's what friends are for.
We cut a hole in the hood and we're like, let's go test this turbo.
Yeah.
This is beginning to seem like a common thing in the Honda world.
It
But
is.
My buddy's got that
My
part.
yeah. So what's up with the trans?
It's a Liberty billet bell housing, but factory style bell housing, just billet so that you don't break the case. And then it's got a 4-speed dog box in it.
What's this crazy looking intake you got there?
Just a intake manifold.
Don't lie to me.
What's
Pretty
Gato?
standard.
I see that all the time.
It's a
That's
a-
cat in Spanish.
No, I know that. But
It's
I'm saying,
a
like,
guy
the
in
brand?
Florida. He makes manifolds and turbo kits and stuff like that.
Is this built for a specific class?
Yeah, front wheel drive class.
Front
And
wheel
it's
drive.
just pretty open?
No, they limit you turbo size, tire size.
Okay.
Some classes, they have a weight limit. You have to be at least 2,400 pounds.
What is this way?
2,550, 2,600. So it's a little heavy for the class,
Yeah.
but I didn't want to cut the car up, like the actual chassis up like some people do.
Just carbon doors?
No, they're just wrapped. I don't have money for
I
carbon
was
doors.
like, that made a weird noise.
So you didn't want to cut up the inside. What do you have going on the inside of your car?
Pretty much it's a factory chassis with a 25.5 cage in it. We used to have power windows and door locks and all that shit on here, or stuff on here.
Can we cuss?
But the car was heavy, and everybody's getting lighter and try to stay competitive.
Let me guess, one of them Kirky seats or whatnot?
Yes, sir.
Fire suppression system?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you
Well, that's
safe.
nice.
Yeah, that's
He's got
I value-
harnesses.
right.
Came prepared.
And a net. You got like a
I
NASCAR
try to
net.
value myself a little bit more. Like if we catch on fire, which if shit happens, like I'd rather be a little more prepared than not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I would not want to be on fire.
I can read, but what ECU is this?
That's a Motec M800.
Is that the good one?
All varies on opinion. They make that ECU is almost 20 years old.
Oh, you see, that's what I'm saying, because he's like running Pentium 2 processor, something like that.
It's a period correct ECU for this car.
That's pretty badass. So you got the skinnies on the rear. What's
Yep.
going on with your wheel package?
They're weld wheels. They're actually off a Mustang like that.
Oh, really?
Because this uses a 5-lug, but it's the same bolt pattern as a Mustang.
Is this
Gotcha.
a Mustang paint color?
No, this is factory paint color.
Trying to figure out the truth. Who's biting whose style here?
It looks like you got a parachute on the back.
Yes.
Because of your class, or is that because
No,
your car's fast?
well, NHRA rules, if you run faster than X amount of speed, you have to have a parachute.
What is X amount of speed?
I believe it's after 135 miles an hour in the quarter mile, you have to have a chute
What
on
are you
the car.
trapping at the end?
This car is trapped between 176 and 184 in the quarter mile.
But that's on like a prep surface.
On a prep surface.
Okay. Will you be
Yeah.
using the chute today?
Yes.
Are you going to fold it, or do you got people?
I got my guy will do it while I'm looking at the ECU stuff. And
Okay.
we have like 10, 15 minutes between rounds.
No, you got 2 minutes to fold it.
There's another car that looks a lot like your car.
Yes.
It just looks like it has bigger slicks in the rear
Yes.
than yours.
Yep.
Hey, you tired of using clapped out fuel in your car? Well, I got something for you.
Please continue.
Sunoco Ultra Tech fuel is a top tier fuel you should be using in your car.
But why?
The same level as detergent as they use in NASCAR.
Impressive.
If you're wondering where to get it, it's available at all Sunocos across the U.S. Welcome, sir.
How's it going?
What is your name and what have you brought us?
My name is Deon. I got an 85 Ford Mustang. It's got a 351 Windsor in it, a little bit over 400 cubic inches, a 5-speed, and it's all motor.
All
We got to see the engine, my
Pretty
boy.
much.
You got to see this.
You know how this
before you
works.
gotta see it.
If you don't know, I grew up with this man right here. This man taught me how to change the oil in my car. I ate a lot of his spaghetti.
Yeah, this dude,
I
man,
clogged a lot of his toilets.
from eating, what is it, taco shells, hot dogs, and refried beans.
The taco shell. Will you put a
will
hot
put it all-
dog
yeah, all
in the taco
together.
shell with refried beans?
Yeah, and eat it with some juice. Some more weird side stuff, huh?
Do you need help?
Yeah, you can grab that.
Gary,
Try
help
it.
him.
I am
We can
gonna
sit it
try
behind the
that.
car.
It sounds good.
It sounds good when you have no money.
Look at that thing. You said just over 400 cubic inch?
Yeah,
So it's like a 6 point something?
7.0 liter.
7.0.
What fuel are you running?
I'm on E85 right now.
That's what I'm talking about.
This doesn't have a turbo, but
No, it's actually set up for spray, but I don't have it on there. If I'd have known I was gonna be racing a race car, I would have put it on there for sure.
so
but
this
it's
your
all good.
street car?
Yeah, I drive this car everywhere.
Okay.
I get maybe like 3 miles to the gallon,
Yeah.
but it's still fun to drive. You know
Especially
what
on
I'm saying?
E85 also.
So without the nitrous, how much power does it make?
It still makes about 700 without the nitrous.
700.
I have not used the nitrous at all. Eventually I'll put it on there, but I'm not trying to break it right now, so I'm just running it on the motor.
Now the big debate is, what green did this come off of?
It's a custom teal. So everybody keep thinking that this car came factory this color. This is not the factory color.
This isn't that color?
No, it's not.
Look at the flake. Look, take a good look at it, Mike.
I see it flaking.
You see the flake? I put that in there. Did you see the hood?
Yes.
Did you check the hood out?
Yeah.
I put that in
What do
there.
you got going on inside?
Everything is stock. It's
Pretty
all
stock?
Uh-huh.
What 5-speed's in this?
It's got a Tremec TKO 600.
Oh, okay.
And look at that. You can't open a 4-door?
A 4-door?
It's your car. I don't want to break it.
It's all right, man.
Why was you able to do it so easily?
I don't know.
Why weren't you?
Because
Pretty much everything is stock in there. There's nothing done to it. It's stock, no face plated, no dog rings, none of that. It's just
There's
a
a
stock.
button on the top of it.
That's for my line lock in the front. That's not for, the nitrous ain't even on there.
open the trunk.
Yeah,
Huh?
pop
Open
truck.
the trunk.
There's no nitrous.
Open
on
the
it.
goddamn trunk, Deon.
Hey, you know what? Y'all should have been questioning him. I know he got nitrous on that thing.
Well, he told us he got like 1,100 horsepower, so
Yeah,
that's
over here trying to be out of 300. Oh, get out of here. Look, I even got sounds in here.
all right.
My car weighed 36.
What you got? What's in there?
36.
These are 210s.
210s? What kind of 10s?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. I don't even remember.
That's cool. Just face him the wrong way.
Look, you see, they barely fit in there.
That's important, though.
Yeah, I need that.
This man does put miles on this car.
You know, you can't drive with no music, man.
That's
It gets
true.
annoying.
Tell us a little bit about your wheel package.
These are Weld Magnum Pro Stars. I had OMF do my bead locks for me, and then they were like, "Oh, you should go with some black ones." I said, "Man, I want to be different." You know what I mean? So I had them do the orange ones for me. I got full exhaust on the car, as you can see, so you know it's a street car. It's registered.
It's registered.
It's
Yeah,
registered.
it's
700
registered.
horsepower, naturally aspirated. Like,
No state refs?
Oh man, they don't say that.
What's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
Come on, man, Michelangelo, bro.
Okay.
Look at that. Hey,
Okay.
look at my sticker.
we knew it. This is
Orange.
So
This
this
is
whole
what
time I
started
thought
our
he was yellow. He's been orange.
Yeah.
I thought he was yellow.
Bro, you
He's
must be
orange.
colorblind.
you ever race a front wheel drive car?
All the time. I mean, I ain't worried about it.
All right. Let's just get to
I'm
it.
ready. Let's get it then.
The last time I voted against the Mustang dumped on everyone, and it's particularly the Fox bodies. You got to be careful with them. So when you see a Fox body with a slick like that, you got to vote for it. I'm going Fox body.
That's the gnarliest front wheel drive car I've seen in a minute. But I really like the Mustang just because I'm a Fox body dude. I think I'm gonna go with Michelangelo.
I like Ninja Turtles. We all like Ninja Turtles. We grew up playing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Turtles in Time 4. The Honda overkill. So I'm hoping my boy pulls through. Childhood boy, so I gotta go with him.
That's really loud.
It's really loud.
Play us. That Honda played the out of us.
1100
No. But what he was doing up here,
Oh, he's acting.
yeah,
Wow. Okay. You better start negotiating for your boy. You're his agent.
Yeah,
You're his agent. in
I'm
this
his-
episode.
You are. He's gonna need some help.
2 cars?
We're gonna see what he lost by, but you're probably gonna need more than that.
Okay.
All
Let's
right, Gary.
Who sets up these races? You know this is a no prep surface, right?
Yes.
My boy got stuck to the ground.
My bad.
My bad.
Give me 5 in the go.
You want 5 in a go?
Y'all slick.
You beat him by 10 cars.
I know what's gonna do
Get out of here, dude. You know exactly what that car is.
we've never
Hey,
had
let me
that
tell you
car.
something too, though.
We've never
Let
had
me
a car
tell
on
you
the surface
something.
like this.
That car got a funny car cage in there. I'm not dumb. I got a straight 40.
I told you what the car
Oh,
ran.
no.
I
No,
told
you
you.
did it. What you tell me?
What'd I tell you in the window?
What'd you tell me?
I said the car's the best 840, and it goes 67.
And he said, oh, yeah, we got it
I
turned
said
down.
that. Deon.
That wasn't turned down, bro.
You're rear-wheel drive.
I weigh 1,000 pounds more. You making double the power.
We're not
Think about
making
it.
double the power.
Man, hustle somebody else, bro.
We're
'cause
not
you ain't
hustling.
gonna hustle me.
Not a fast car. We know that.
It don't matter.
That's my friend.
All right, everyone, chill.
All right. So we got a dilemma here. You got some type of liquid adhesive that you
Yes.
got to share.
That's
Usually
fine.
we don't do that. But the thing is, you beat him by damn near 10 cars. So he's asking for 5 in the jump.
How about we do 1 in the hip?
Oh, no. No. At least minimum of 3 in the
Okay,
hit.
do 3 in the hip.
And give me that stuff too.
Is that enough? Burnouts. That's me. That's what I'm good at.
That's a lot of traction. That stuff works.
it.
Keeping us on the limiter after all that. We're getting a heads up run or something close to that on this last one. For sure.
What you talking about though? I don't
Kept us
know.
up there for a hot minute. Hey, go grin.
Huh?
You guys all laughing. That's fun.
Now you're in the drama.
I don't know what I did.
You're a part of it.
Rogers work here. I'm laughing because I'm happy. He looked at me and I just went like this and he went and I was like, damn, you looking at me? You trust me? I'm the horrible drag racer. Who won?
On to my car.
Well, that was better.
It was better.
So right now, he beat you by a car.
If I'd have got some traction, you probably wouldn't have beat me at all.
So
We tried to help you there, sir.
That's right. I'm
So
telling you.
so
How long
now what do you want? Now it's 2. Well, technically,
Technically,
that's
the
it.
Integra wins.
If you want to go again for pride, you can.
Give me 5.
5 no hit. Because of the length of the limiter, the only way we'll do it's on a flag.
That's cool with me.
All right, shake hands.
Mr. Deon, hey, pleasure racing with you.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. That's right. Woo!
Want to go see what happened?
Not really.
Okay. Well, we have to.
Okay, drop it.
It didn't sound right on the anti-lag. It sounded a little
hurt.
Yeah.
What do you think, Plug?
When I drove back from the last pass, it was,
It's already sounding funny.
yeah.
We hate to break it to you, but you won.
Man, I was like, what happened?
Yeah, you left real clean on that one. That was a good lunch.
Sorry, I wish I could have gave you a better run.
Hey, get out of here, man. Don't just start with that.
Pleasure racing.
Oh, man, same here.
Always a good time.
That's what happens when I chase.
If he chases me, I don't give a